If YouTube recommended you this video, you should be thankful. You are blessed. Okay, that was too cheesy.
Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin.
Give this to Kevin.
Hey guys, me Shivangi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a very interesting video for you all guys, because today I'm gonna be sharing some of the things that changed my life for the good. Of course, we are not here to discuss the bad things. These are not specific, but of course, like some of them are specific, but at least you can find one out of these that can help you. I am filming this video because I wanted to. I mean, back then I would love to watch a video like this, and also I wanted to interact with you all guys at a different level. My main goal for this video is to give you guys kind of like tips and kind of give out kind of a message that nobody's life is perfect. I mean, there are situations which are not in our hand and we cannot do anything about it, but at least we can do something that will help our lives. But before moving on, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more K-pop covers and random videos and skits and song covers and life advices and haul videos, outfit inspiration. I mean, there's a lot of things. So consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So with all that being said, let's just get into the video. So long story short, there was a time when I had a super toxic life because of the super toxic mind that I had, and I didn't had any idea that this is the worst version of myself. Okay, so the first one is remove toxicity as much as you can. This is something everybody ignores, but this is life changer. Like literally, this is life changer, game changer, whatever you want to change in your life. So basically what happens is, by removing toxicity, I mean removing toxic people in the first place. Basically there are two types of people that I consider. The first one are positive people who will make you feel good about yourself, and then comes the negative people who will make you feel terrible about yourself. The positive one are kind of like good. They'll make you feel good about yourself, but what we actually do in response towards negative people, we are like, okay, I am fine, I am good. I just want to say that stop settling for such people. Like these people are such an energy suckers. Like whenever you'll be like hanging around with such people, you'll be like, okay, but the time and the moment you come home, and then you'll feel like drained off and you'll feel like a piece of shit because they made you feel like a piece of shit, and you're not a piece of shit. Are you? Like literally, are you a piece of shit? It doesn't really matter how close you are to that person or that group or whatever, and it doesn't really matter how much time you have been together with that person, with that group. Okay, it doesn't really matter if it is not working out, and if it is like not vibing with your frequency, and like, yeah, then what are you waiting for? Shake them off. Literally, like this is my personal experience with life. You'll literally go nowhere in your life if you are surrounded by such people who are like trying to bring you down and trying to bring in all the toxicity around. I struggled with it a lot, but now I'm kind of fine because now I have some people, and I appreciate those people and I love them. Now that you have removed all the toxicity from your vessel, it's time to bring it back and fill it back with some positivity and some goodies. Which brings me to my point number 2. That is, make friends with good people. This is something everybody ignores. Like literally everybody ignores. But this is also a life changer. Like whatever I'm saying is life changer. Now I can already see a lot of comments dropping down below like, how can I know if a person is good or bad? Well, we never know if a person is good or bad. My point is to say that make friends with some people whom you are assured of that yes, they are kind of good. Like in my case, if you are like really interested to know about my case, family, best option. And then comes my array of friends who always appreciate me, and I appreciate that too. And then I have you guys that always appreciate me. I don't want to be cheesy on the camera, but literally you guys, the love you guys show on my videos, and it's, thank you so much. I love you all so much. Then taking a bit of my friend circle. Like I do have friends in person, but God, I literally didn't had any idea that my life would be so highly impacted by the virtual people that I watch. Literally, like seeing people's videos and seeing people doing good in their life kind of gives me hope and inspiration to do good things in my life too. And for that, random vlog channels and chill lifestyle channels are the best. Actually, that is a kind of a vibe that I want to create on my channel. Like you and me virtually hanging around.
So dull skin and uneven tone and untextured skin is something we all struggle with. But recently I found some of the products that really helped me out, and these are Mama Earth products. If you don't know what Mama Earth products are, basically it is an Indian brand that has skincare essential with best vitamin C range. So let me show you guys the product I am using these days. So first of all, I use Mama Earth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash that has vitamin C and turmeric in it. It leaves my skin clear, fresh. The best thing about this product is that it has a small brush that deep cleanses and removes impurities, if you know what I mean. So the next product that I use is Mama Earth Vitamin C Face Toner that has vitamin C and cucumber in it, and it leaves my skin, it purifies my skin, it leaves my skin fresh, and it cleanses pores. And the best thing is that it restores the balance of skin's pH. That is the best thing about this. So the next product that I use is Mama Earth Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric, and the best thing about it is that it reduces hyperpigmentation and it brightens the skin. I would prefer this face serum over any face serum that I have been using in my past. And lastly, I use Mama Earth sleeping mask that has vitamin C and aloe vera in it, and the best thing about that is it replenishes lost radiance and it reduces signs of aging. That is all what we need. What I love about Mama Earth products are that it is natural, it is chemical free, it is paraben free, it is silicone free, and the best thing is that it is an Indian brand. Hashtag vocal for local, and they are also plastic positive. That means they recycle more plastic than they use, which is perfect. And you can use my code SHIFT20 for 20% off, and all the products mentioned here are available on Amazon, Mama Earth, Nykaa and Purple. And also every time you buy a product from them, they will link your order on our website to a tree that they plant. Exact geolocation picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. All the links are in the description so that you can easily place your order. So what are you guys waiting for? Place your orders.
Now, the third point from your fairy godmother is something very cheesy but true. Follow your real dream and passion. Super cheesy, I said. Now, these are two different things. Like, following your real dream is something you can invest your time to create your dream life, and following your passion is something which will make you feel good about yourself. It can be anything you like, anything you love. Like for me, it's my YouTube channel. I love creating videos regardless of how many views I am getting or how many subscribers do I have. I don't care. Like I do care. Like you guys matter to me. But if you know what I mean and what I'm trying to say, so it makes me feel better. It kind of distracts me to not to think those things which I'm not supposed to think, if that makes sense. So yeah, now it's up to you. Like, what are your dreams and real dreams, and what are your passion and what makes you feel good? Choose them and have fun with them. Period. Now, my fourth point is that take advantages of bad situation. Now, this is a point I don't want to take a lot, but I just want to say that you have to believe that everything happens for a reason, for a good reason, and I know this one is also too cheesy, but it's true. It's life. It will show you all of its color before you die. You have to just believe on yourself and you have to stay strong and you have to turn the negativity into positivity. Yeah. Now, the next point is that be grateful for good situation. There are a lot of things that we take for granted, lots of blessings and lots of stuffs we take for granted. Like if you're watching me right now, you are probably watching me on a mobile phone, on a PC or whatever, I don't care. Like I do care, but so you might be having a good internet connection right now. Be grateful for that internet connection and yeah, say thank you to God, and you have to just try your level best to be more grateful in life. And if your internet or if your Wi-Fi sucks right now, fix it. Can't help. Celebrate your little milestone that you have achieved in your life and celebrate every little things that you are achieving. It can be anything good that makes you feel good. So yeah, try to celebrate little things in your life. And now by celebrating, I don't mean that go party full masti yash. No, woohoo, no. Try to be positive as much as you can no matter what happens, because I don't know if you are into manifestation and things like law of attraction or not, but it is as valid as law of gravitation, if that makes any sense to you. Your thought becomes reality, and whatever you think of, you attract it. So don't think of any negativity in your life, because if you will think of negativity, you will attract negativity, and that's not good. I just want to say that I'm so grateful for everything that I have in my life, every good thing that I have in my life, and I'm so grateful for each one of you because of the opportunities you have given me, and every experience in my life is insane. I am talking about the good experiences, and trust the bad experiences too, because that what makes you strong. And I think now that is all I wanted to say in this video. It was a kind of a different video on my channel. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know if you want a part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 of this video. Yeah, before clicking off, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And lastly, I want to say that if you want to do something good in your life and you want to achieve something and you are like dreaming of something, do it. Just don't wait for the right moment. There is no right moment. You have to do it. You have to start whatever you want to start it right now. Like for me, I wanted to start my YouTube channel when I was in 9th grade, and I stopped myself just because I thought people were gonna judge me, and I was too afraid of a lot of things. But now I DGAF, and now finally I have a YouTube channel. It doesn't really matter how many views I'm getting, how many subscribers I have, but still I am so grateful for every one of you. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, it's @ShivangiSinghOfficial_, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, high tide, good vibes. Bye guys. Subscribe.